How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So again, for the fitness people watching this, I know this is not fitness related, but what I like to do is I like to make one or two videos. I like to make one video in between about 4 or 5 workout videos, just to give me a little bit of a break, because again, I do make anywhere from 9 to 20 videos per day. So this just gives me a little bit of break, allows me to recover, but I still get a video in. Plus, this is an extremely popular topic on my channel. So what I'm doing is I'm reading a question from a subscriber about hickeys, and then I will answer it, and then I will go over my way to get rid of hickeys. Basically, this subscriber is saying that he's had a little bit of success using A535. He wants to know what's my take on this. Hands down, 100%, I would never put A535 on a hickey, ever. A535 is meant for muscle soreness. That is the point of it. What it does is it goes from hot to cold, and it just, it's a chemical reaction, and it just switches again from hot to cold. It's amazing for muscle soreness. When I was playing baseball, I used it quite frequently. Whenever I had a sore arm from pitching, from catching, from playing third base, I would apply it, and it gives relief. Probably put a little bit too much on from time to time. I also used it for other stuff. When I was working out, I got sore muscles. I would use it for that as well. So for muscles, A535 is amazing for muscle pain, muscle strain, stuff like that. For a hickey, it is not the best in my opinion. You may see a little bit of success with it, but it's not going to get rid of the hickey completely. And I would never put it on my neck. That's just my personal thing. So what's the fastest way to get rid of a hickey? Again, if this A535 even does work, it'll probably take 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Way too long in my opinion. Easiest way to get rid of it, get a coin or a spoon. And I say this at all the end of my hickey videos because this is what actually works. Get a spoon, get a coin, start rubbing the area for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the hickey will be gone for 90% of the people. For the other 10% of the people that it's not gone, rub for 5 minutes straight. Guaranteed after the 5 minutes, your hickey will be completely gone. One thing to keep in mind, your neck's gonna be super duper red. That's from rubbing it. Everybody's neck will be red. So don't think that you made it worse. In fact, that's how it should be. After 5 to 10 minutes, the redness will be gone as well as the hickey. So try that out, guarantee it will work. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.